This 2024 East to West Entrada M-Class 24FM is a Class C RV. It is located in Turlock, California, 95382 and is offered for sale by Best RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new East to West is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab. This 2024 East to West Entrada M-Class 24FM is built on a Mercedes Sprinter 3500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.